Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. Today, I decided to make something very different from the usual white rice and stew for Sunday rice. And I thought to share. In today's video, we're going to use mackerel fish for this sauce, all right? It's a special sauce, very quick to make, delicious, and I hope you love it. First off, you debone your mackerel fish, cut it into preferred chunks, okay? Wash properly, and then you set it aside. If today is the first time you're seeing this channel, kindly do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell for more. Also like, comment, and share. All right, it's free. Nobody's charging you for anything. Thank you. Here the fish is properly done, so we'll set it aside to rest. And we'll prep our veggies here: red, yellow, and green bell pepper. This is also our carrots. We cut to our preferred shape and size. In a bowl, I added all-purpose flour, added chili pepper, added seasonings and salt, fish seasoning, okay? Stirred it together to combine, all right? And then I'll use it on the fish. I'll add the fish into this all-purpose flour and then toss it into the fish, enable the fish to marry this all-purpose flour, all right? So we'll be frying it afterwards. Now, the reason I tossed this fish into an all-purpose flour, okay, was to enable it to become crunchy on the outside after frying it. Please let me also know where you're watching from so I can send you a virtual hug in my next video. And here the first batch is done. As you can see, it's golden brown, crunchy on the outside with the help of the all-purpose flour. So we'll go ahead to fry the remaining. So after frying, I'll set it aside for later use. Now I'll go ahead to prepare a slurry that will act as a thickener in binding the sauce. For this particular one, I'll be using cornstarch. So I added the cornstarch in a bowl, introduced dark soy sauce a little bit, and then added water. Stir until it dissolves. Now let's begin. In a pot or pan, anything you have available, saute your onions in a preheated oil. Any oil of choice would do, but for this one, I'm using sesame oil. After sauteing the onions, I added pepper. I stirred together to combine, and I'll be adding carrot at this point. The reason is because carrot is the toughest vegetable that I will be using today. So I love to add it first before introducing other vegetables. You can do what works for you. After adding the carrots, I stirred together to combine, introduce fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and curry powder, and I will stir together to combine. After stirring, it's time to introduce the bell peppers. After introducing the bell peppers, you're going to stir together to combine, taste and adjust to any lacking ingredients, and allow it to simmer a little bit before you introduce the slurry to bind the sauce. Please hit the like button if you're getting any value from this video, and then subscribe if you haven't done so. So at this point, you reintroduce the fish we fried earlier and then stir together to combine. The sauce is just coming together. It's as simple as this, but the outcome was delicious. So many people loves it, and I love it too. Yeah, I added the slurry to bind the sauce. Right now, the sauce is coming together. I will stir together to combine, adjust with a little bit of water to loosen it all. At this point, you will allow it to simmer a little bit and it's ready. Here, you can pair with white rice. We paired it with white rice and a coleslaw, and it came out very delicious. Thank you for watching, and I do hope you love it and you will try it. Till I meet you in my next one, do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.